6th Light Division, Vancouver, 38, 32, and 10.
I was at a meeting of all 50 governors and talked about just
the guy behind me who's been banging on things.
What? Side by side? What the hell?
Right here from Italy.
What? Why? When that was left turn from a right turn lane. What the fuck's that guy doing?
That where that stops is where the shot takes place. He's in the act of turning around or whatever. So
red light runner.
Let's talk about this from what
their own advancing weapons technology and a relaxation of American foreign policy to strike. That time is rapidly approaching, according to Clinton. So he figures a preemptive strike against the Russians is the only way to actually achieve peace on Earth.
General Ripper uses most of that same reasoning. He even uses the same quote by Clemenceau as his novel counterpart.
Be falsified would be devoid of any propositional content. That is, it would not be making a factual assertion. It would instead be
tens of thousands of entry points in the form of elevators.
Were you like not in gear? Wait, what the hell is that van doing?
Your second team All-Stars, Phil Esposito of the Bruins, Rene Robert of the Buffalo Sabres. And then in the semifinal, they extended Philly to 7.
And he got pulled over!
Buffalo beat Montreal in 6, so we have 2 expansion era teams in the Stanley Cup final.
Nice! Oh, there's one. That last second move over by the Lexus, aka Toyota.
Yes, ma'am, and you told me to come inside.
What the hell are you coming over here for?
No.
Just to jump ahead of what, 3 cars? Good job. From Long Island. Probably. Yeah, what the fuck, dude?
Before his 21st birthday, he's got 5 hat-tricks. Record. That's a record. Awards. Gretzky gets the Hart. Gretzky gets the Art Ross. The
Something went wrong
goes
there.
Randy Carlisle, Pittsburgh Penguins.
Hey, wonderful. Welcome to Nashville. And all the way up here to do your debt-free scream.
Yes, all the way up here.
Love it. How much
Red
did you
light
pay
runner.
off?
68.
Usually, people like Parliament Patty and Barbecue Becky,
That's
you normally
right.
got the crying thing down pat. Well, you got the tears.
That's all. Yeah, but my windows are down.
Clearly fucking red.
You can definitely tell it's there. Now back in the microwave for 30 seconds on high.
Whoa, what? The dual left turn. And he goes straight.
4 in a row here and 4 in a row here. That's 11 wins in a row. Pittsburgh wins 4 in a row here.
That's not a passing zone. There's cars oncoming. What the fuck?
In the finals, Pittsburgh wins another 4. So what happens is 2 teams set and
70 hours a week. I don't have this time to go up there and wait 25 minutes for your employee who doesn't know what he's doing.
Utah.
And that he said that my attitude.
Utah again.
Orderly transition of power. When the transition of power means you have to kill the entire ruling family and slaughter half the army in order to transition power. Every time we do it,
Signs
it's
for the
very
past
difficult to have
mile and a
economic
half saying
stability,
that lane
and part of
ends.
the result of that is extreme poverty.
Oh, up there. I thought I was bad. Okay. Yeah, turn in the way of a car. Oh Okay. Yeah, that Mercedes got honked at.
$800 TV that was brand new, that was in the room.
All right, I'll let one person go.
The cable to that he didn't know how to reconnect. So when I get out the hospital,
and the BMW.
There,
yeah, hi.
RCA TV that you can't even
Sheesh. It ain't my fault. No one knows how to do this shit.
For you to enjoy in the highest of fidelities. Am I being vague? Maybe.
What the hell?
More specifically, this is a compact disc player, the Innings Magnavox CDB260.
Yeah, we got a bunch of red light runners. That was a red light run. All the way.
It's me when I'm in the middle of making a point during a meeting.
Well, if you're talking crap like you have been in this video, and I can already show that you're talking crap, cutting off kind of saves the time of
a blinker would make your life a hell of a lot easier.
It makes me feel like I've done the honor of it.
Holy shit! I almost got sideswiped.
Does not end at the classroom. That's just the start. The things and education and knowledge that can really change your life happens outside. And if you're looking,
comes back to what I'm doing here on YouTube. Okay, I can only bring you guys so much.
Yeah,
but
2 red light
with
runners.
Mike and his
I
kids,
think you can do whatever the hell you want to do to black people. Go stand in their face. Go
From
stand
the center
almost
lane.
literally inside their car.
What? No. Of course not. There he goes.
and I can really put our own ideas, along with some that we're getting from Rick Dyer.
Was that red? I think it was.
Insert foot. So I want to make it very transparent. The state didn't ask me to make an apology video.
Okay.
The state didn't ask. I'm feeling a lot better about, all of our positions in this mess that I created.
And straight from a left turn lane.
As a man,
drop the plot. So it should be a relatively smooth transition from measurement to resquad. The question we're all asking ourselves: why now?
It's my goal. It's got my name on it and all of that. And I guaranteed you that you were going to get 30% of the take for helping me dig it up. Would you want me to draw?
This is a one-way. That car was going the wrong way up a one-way street.
If you ought to find somebody that's having a bad day and hand them $20, $100, $1,000. You'd have to have the money to be able to do that, so you'd have to be doing the other thing, which is like living on a budget.
Performance exam. So these personal anecdotes of, hey,
you're just going to keep going.
Have an explanation for it. Awesome.
Keep on going.
And the correct answer is you.
What the? Whoa, whoa! No fucking way!
I think we both agree, like almost everybody on the fucking planet, that owning another human being as property that you can pass down to your kids is immoral, and yet your book sanctions it. And by the way,
oh wow. Lack of depth perception.
We kind of agree. Okay, so all these guys should get 10% raises, right? We don't want anybody getting that raise until they're 31.
Or what we pay for it. If you run a small to medium-sized business, and you turn over all the financial decisions and accounting duties to someone you don't have a long track record with, you are a candidate for embezzlement.
This is what that causes when you don't pay attention.
With your
he's older than he is. But you don't see anybody saying, "Oh, you should trade Sydney." No, it's so weird. And for Vegas, what they've gained this offseason
and competency have been proven repeatedly. Micromanagers are either control freaks or they have very low emotional maturity.
And there's code running on those computers that calculates
center lane
the
left
energy yield of hydrogen.
That car right there. Last second exit. That New York City driver. Or that Long Island driver.
You can too. I'm so excited about this project because we did the largest research study that's ever been done
into the purple lane. What the?
In which more than the entire world's population has been brutally slaughtered. Yeah, John, I guess we can...
I will go doo-doo, what you do, doo-doo, doo-doo. Red light runner.
I'm glad I got tased. If you're going to carry a taser, you should be tased yourself before you do it. I know there's a lot of variety of opinions about that. I'm one of them.
It's because they came to us. What is all that junk? What? Oh, crap. We're not risking
that.
Let's go to another.
And you were going straight anyways.
They had to calculate their income.
I want to prevent that kind of build-up in the first place. And that's where an oil catch can comes in. It does what it says. It catches the oil and impurities before they get into the engine. Now,
why do people keep screwing that up? Left turn only. There.
It doesn't need one.
Wait, what happened up there?
Could ever generate. And that's ignoring all the other crazy stuff they claimed for their solo route.
Look at that. That's not a right turn lane, it's over there.
New leaders, what we wanted them to do. I thought it might be as simple as teaching leadership. What is a leader? When I teach this course live, I ask the audience to picture the face of a
wonderful leader.
What the fuck are you doing?
Then I ask them to write down the best one-word character qualities these great leaders have. What one word best describes the character of a great leader? Have an inability to act like adults. I decided to ask my team with which person I am speaking. The 4-year-old or the 34?
Mistakes and thinking all the time. I don't think it's particularly impressive.
Well, the other thing is...
Hang on. I don't think it's particularly impressive that someone who's about...
Like MC Win shit, tried to tell you a year ago, but Willie D told me to let her hope me a heart, so I could...
Very cool. All right, $69,000.
That's right turn only, Jersey.
Months making 55
and Connecticut
savings. It's Tamara and Tyson. Count it down. Let's hear a debt-free scream.
One.
I update everybody. I download that first roster update because I want all these rookies that weren't included in the game
the red light
out, and I want to.
No stop for the Acura.
With a breast-like protuberance. Breast-like protuberance. On his third voyage, he wrote a rather poetic letter describing how he felt himself not just crossing the ocean, but...
That could be more, but a non-commissioned employee is lucky to get 2-3-5% would be a good annual raise.
Well,
in some cases, these CEOs are making 10, 12,
all right,
15%
someone's screwing up here. I don't know why.
Increase
than a quick trip. It's one of those places that tends to be an hour away, and you have to plan out your trip. Maybe you have an open Saturday, so you and your family.
Early on, he was tentative in how he ran. What you can expect against a good defense, and also his first game.
Hell, you do BMW.
Didn't get a fourth down.
Red light.
He didn't stretch the ball out, which he should have.
No turn on red. Alright, he went way like over the center line and all that stuff, but the car oncoming. fuck is that truck doing? He's on that car's ass. He's weaving in and out of traffic.